Hello everyone and welcome to tvlesson.com. My name is Grant and today I'm going to show you how to switch out RAM in a MacBook Pro. First off, you'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver, your RAM, and your laptop. Let's get started. Alright, step one. You want to flip the laptop over and remove the battery. Step two, we have 3 screws here. We want to remove this covering. Okay, and once we have that off, we'll expose our RAM in here. Step 3, what we want to do is we want to remove the RAM. So what we want to do is we want to take these little handles here and flip them out like so. So the RAM pops up and we just slide it back towards yourself, just like that. Alright, now we're ready to put in our new RAM. Now one thing we want to make sure is when we put in our new RAM that we have it in there nice and snug. A lot of times with a laptop RAM it gets a little quirky, so you just want to make sure it's real snug in there and all the pins are in contact so you get a nice solid connection. Alright, so once we push the card in, we want to just push it down, it'll snap into place. So again, we want to make sure that these are nice and snug and all the pins are connected. Okay, push down, again, just snaps into place just like that. And next step, we're going to put this all back together. Okay, now once we have that all back in place, I just want to slide the battery back in. And there you go. And that's how you upgrade RAM in a MacBook Pro. Thank you for watching tvlesson.com. This has been Grant.